Just put gas on these bad boys. We're heading back out. All right, we're gonna go find the boat. Keith took it out with some of our buddies and Caroline. Sid and I are taking the jet skis. We'll see if we can find them. Come on, people, do better than that. A glow stick just floating in the inside this balloon thing, just floating in the beautiful lake. They got an American flag right over there. Look, I'm pointing at it like E.T.
Put that thing on top of there.
You can drive it from up there. Everybody and their mom out today. There's so much boat traffic, and I will never understand these boats. That there's boats there, there's boats here, and they go in between us, and there's swimmers right there. It's like, yo, go around. Look at all the lake over there. Go around us. What is happening, dude? Look at this. This wind kicked up.
Want to go?
I think Dad's right up here.
Our wedding house.
But not there, it's rocky.
There's a beach though.
It's not rocky.
Yeah, down below.
It's all good. Let's go to Long Beach.
Okay,
How
whatever.
far is Long Beach?
Not very.
All right, we'll go to Long Beach.
Or just wherever there's a sandy place next. How about that? Yeah. Is this that beach where we were skipping rocks? Oh no, different house. It's that gray one.